Today drained me. We just got to the Airbnb after taking 50-11 trains to get here. We went the wrong way, I want to say 2 times, 3 times?
2 times.
2 times. We lost Kukwa. I don't know what happened. And now we're here. And then we get to the Airbnb and they have an elevator that only fits 1 suitcase at a time. And each of us have 2 plus bags. So we had to wait and then walk up like 6, 7 flights of stairs.
I thought it was going to be 3.
Yeah, the view is beautiful. At least there's AC up in here. Fans. I'm just glad to be here. But yeah. We're gonna, what are we gonna do?
Relax.
Yeah.
Clean up.
Yeah, gather our lives and figure out what to do. Get us a drink.
Yes. A cold drink.
A cold drink. Look at this view. It feels so crazy to actually be here. Like, especially me being a Cheetah Girls stan since I was little. Like, being in Barcelona is crazy. I never thought we'd have a Euro summer, but I'm grateful to God to be here despite everything that we just went through to get here. But yeah, we're gonna go to probably out to eat tonight, and then tomorrow we have the Sagrada Familia tour, which is like it's like this church, and we're also going to Park Guell, I think that's what it's called, but that's where the Cheetah Girl steps are. So I'm excited for that. But this city's just so pretty. But yeah, I'll catch y'all later when we go out after we get ready and stuff. Let me show y'all the fits for today. The skirt's a little long, so I think I'm going to fold it. But it feels really good outside. It's not too hot. It's breezy. And yeah, I'll probably try and get another Pandora charm while we're out, because we're gonna head to the mall. But it feels good to be here.
You gotta love it, you gotta love it. I just wanna chill and catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't want to see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, baby. Girl, it's easy.
Just shopping for Geraldine. Yep. I got this. Isn't that cute, y'all?
You love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me, girl? It's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out?
Amazing. Amazing, beautiful. Google, come on. Say something to the people.
I'm hungry.
Okay. Let's go.
Back to a hoopty from my bands. Would you poof and disappear like some of my friends? If I was hit and I was hurt, would you be by my side? If it was time to put in work, would you be down to ride? I'd be out chillin' drive. I'm asking questions to find out how you feel inside. If I ain't rap, cause I flip burgers at Burger King, would you be?
Can't help but to be yourself around me, yourself around me. Oh. And I know nobody's
today is our last day in Barcelona. It's a little sad, but bittersweet. I had fun, y'all, real fun.
Shout out to everybody. I had fun.
I gotta be good.
Time to go to Paris. I'm excited though, and Kendrick is coming and SZA, even though I already went to the concert. But I would high key do it again if the tickets are cheap. We'll see though.